Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a small business and you're still manually replying to every customer message, you're definitely wasting hours every single week. AI chatbots now answer customer questions, qualify leads, recover abandoned cart, and automate support, and even help close sales while you're sleeping. But here's the problem. There are dozens of chatbot platforms out there, and most business owners have no idea which one is actually worth paying for. So, in this video, I'll be breaking down the best AI chatbots for small businesses. We'll be looking at Tidio, Respond.io, Chatbase, and SleekFlow. So, you'll be able to choose which one of these platforms is best for your business, as I'll be comparing the features, pros and cons, pricing, different use cases, and so much more. Now, let's dive in. Keep in mind I've included links in the pinned comment and description so you can test out any one of these platforms for completely free. Now, here's the short answer. If I were to choose one of these platforms for my best friend for their business, I would definitely recommend that you go with Respond.io. And the reason why I consider Respond.io the best overall option is it's easy to install, it only takes a few minutes, it's also quite affordable, and it covers basically every touch point that you will have an interaction with your customer, even WhatsApp voice. Now, let's look at each one individually. We'll kick things off by looking at Tidio. Tidio is probably one of the easiest AI chatbot platforms for beginners. It combines live chat, AI support, automation, and help desk tools into one dashboard. I would consider it best for small businesses, online stores, freelancers, and beginners. Now, let's quickly talk about the key features when it comes on to Tidio. First, the AI chatbot called Lyro is built in, website live chat, Shopify integration, email integration, and also automated responses and visitor tracking. One thing I really like about Tidio is how simple the interface is. You can literally set up basic chatbot automation without technical experience. And for e-commerce businesses, the Shopify integration is extremely useful. Now, let's talk about the pricing. With Tidio, as you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, then from there, their monthly plan begins at $29 per month, and it can go up to $749 per month. And you can see that it is billed based on conversations. So for example, if you have 50 Lyra AI agent conversation, it would cost $29 per month. And for even more use cases, it would be $59 per month. Now let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of Tidio. First, starting with the pros, it's very beginner friendly, fast setup, affordable entry pricing, and great website chat experience. But there are a few pullbacks. It's not ideal for larger teams, and the omnichannel features are weaker compared to Respond.io or SleekFlow. Talking about Respond.io, the next one on the list is Respond.io. Respond.io is much more advanced. This platform is built for businesses handling large volumes of customer conversations across multiple channels. I would consider it best for growing businesses, agencies, larger support teams, and WhatsApp-heavy businesses. If we were to talk about the key features of Respond.io, first, omnichannel inbox, WhatsApp API support, advanced workflows, and also CRM integrations and AI automation and team collaboration tools. Where Respond.io really stands out is automation. And with Respond.io, you can see the different platforms that you can quickly connect. You can connect WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, Line, WeChat, all of the different touch points as you can see right here. And you can also scroll down and you can connect your email provider and website chat. And once you have connected all of these platforms, you'll be able to monitor and respond to customers from one central inbox. By going over to the left-hand menu option, if we were to select inbox, this is where you'll be able to monitor all of those conversations. So instead of having multiple tabs open, you will be able to monitor everything here. And what I really like about Respond.io is when it comes onto WhatsApp, you'll be able to respond to WhatsApp calls, and you can also respond to WhatsApp voice messages, for example sake. And also Respond.io, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can select AI agent, and from there you'll be able to quickly create an AI agent that will offer customer support 24/7, and this is perfect for most businesses. And when it comes down to Respond.io, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $99 and it can go up to $349. But the best pricing I would consider for all of the features is the growth plan. With the growth plan, it starts at $199 and you'll be able to add up to 10 users. You'll get all of the AI and automation features, and you'll also be able to connect all of the different chat and email channels. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and so on. And I'll also be leaving links in the pinned comment and description of other videos that I've created showing you how to set up Respond.io. Now, the other platform that we'll be looking at is Chatbase. And Chatbase is very different from the other platforms on this list. Instead of focusing mainly on customer support channels, Chatbase focuses on AI knowledge chatbots. You can train your chatbot using your website, PDFs, documents, FAQs, or knowledge bases, and I would consider it best for AI assistants, website knowledge bots, customer self-service, and SaaS businesses. Once you're signed up to Chatbase, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From the left-hand menu option, you could tap on data sources, and for example, you could train it on files, your website, QA, and different options. You can also add text snippets as you can see right here. Once you're finished doing that, you can also add in AI actions. So you can select actions and you can see different options right there. You can use it for your Shopify store and you can see the different actions that it can complete. You can also use it to handle billing and invoicing, as you can see right there. It offers numerous options. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on deploy, and from here you'll be able to add either a chat widget or help page. You can also connect it to your email, Shopify store, phone, and different options as you can see right here. And one major advantage when it comes on to Chatbase is speed. You can literally upload documents and create a working AI assistant in minutes. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons of Chatbase, first, extremely easy AI setup, great for FAQs and support, fast deployment, no coding required, and strong AI conversational experience. But there are a few pullbacks. For example, less focused on omnichannel messaging, not as strong for team inboxes, and automation is more limited compared to Respond.io. And with the pricing you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, the monthly plan begins at $40 and it can go up to $500. And last but definitely not least, we have SleekFlow. SleekFlow focuses heavily on conversational commerce. Think WhatsApp selling, Instagram conversations, social commerce, and customer communication. I would consider it best for e-commerce stores or social selling and customer engagement. Some standout features of SleekFlow include WhatsApp Business API, social messaging integration, CRM features, and also team inbox and customer journey tracking. Once you sign up to SleekFlow, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select channels, you can see the different channels that you can quickly connect. You have WhatsApp Business, Facebook Messenger, SMS, WeChat, Line Business, Telegram, Viber, Instagram, TikTok Business, and also AI Growth Widget. So you have numerous options. If we were to talk about the pros and cons when it comes on to SleekFlow, first, it is great for sales conversations, strong social messaging tools, and good customer management features. But there are a few pullbacks. Less advanced automation, can get expensive as you scale, and not as customizable as Respond.io. I would consider it best if you're running an e-commerce business. And with SleekFlow, if we were to check out their pricing, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $129 and it can go up to $349. Now, the next platform we'll be looking at is ManyChat. With ManyChat, you can also get started for completely free. And ManyChat is probably the most famous chatbot platform for creators and marketers. It became popular through Instagram and Facebook automation. It is best for creators, influencers, coaches, and social media marketing. Some standout features of ManyChat are Instagram DM automation, Facebook Messenger automation, keyword triggers, comment automation, broadcasts, and also lead generation flows. If you have ever seen comment guide and I'll DM it to you automatically, that's usually ManyChat. And with ManyChat, while you can get started for completely free, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $17 per month and it can go up to $199 per month. If your business relies heavily on Instagram marketing and lead qualification, ManyChat is extremely effective. Now, which chatbot is best for you? I would recommend you choose Tidio if you want easy setup, website live chatbot, and affordable AI support. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Respond.io if you need advanced automation, WhatsApp scaling, and serious omnichannel communication. And I would recommend that you choose Chatbase on the other hand if you want an AI chatbot trained on your business content or documents. And I would recommend that you choose SleekFlow if you're focused on conversational selling and social commerce. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you choose ManyChat if your goal is Instagram automation, lead qualification, and audience growth. If you want to test any of these platforms yourself, I'll leave links to all of them in the description below. Most of them offer free trials or free plans so you can compare the interfaces and features before committing. And if you found this comparison useful, subscribe for more videos on AI tools, automation, online business softwares, and productivity systems that actually save time and grow revenue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.